In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or lower volume to a video or audio clip in DaVinci Resolve using keyframes. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is very important because let's assume you have this particular video or audio clip here and you want to make some slight adjustments to the audio to just a particular section. Now, let me just play it a little bit.
Hi Dennis, how are you?
Hi David, I'm good.
An assumption is that this particular section is a little bit lower than the other sections in the video. So what we can do here is we can come up to this particular section here, zoom in slightly, and then with this selected or the playhead setup where you want it to be, select your audio clip here and then go to the inspector. And if you cannot see the options, click on inspector, and by default it may be under video. Click on audio. Now once you click on audio, you'll see the volume slider here and just click on add keyframe and then come up to this particular section and add another keyframe. Now this keyframe works or more or less to act as a boundary that whatever change happens from this keyframe onwards does not affect anything behind this particular keyframe. So it's important to note that. And then to close out the keyframes, I'll add another keyframe here, and then I'll add another keyframe right there to make sure that the changes that we make only affect this particular section of that clip that you wanted to add or lower the volume to. So if I just hover over this particular section, you'll see two arrows that face up and down. If I just left click and hold, you'll see the volume is at 0 dB. So you can pull it up slightly to add the volume or pull it down to lower the volume, depending on your desired result. So let's say we wanted to add the volume to like 2 dB, somewhere about there, 2 dB. That looks good. That's fine. Now, what would happen if I just added these two keyframes? Now, I'll just show you as an example with this particular clip up here. Control Z, seems something slid there. Now, if I click on this and add a keyframe here, and then come up to here and add another keyframe, then I'll zoom out. You'll notice that if I hold on this particular section and move this audio, it moves everything right inside here. So adding these closing keyframes is important so that you can define where you want the keyframes or your adjustments to occur. And that is how you can easily add or lower volume to a particular section of a video or audio clip in DaVinci Resolve using keyframes. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.